So let's see how we can delete documents in MongoDB. So we can delete documents by either using the DeleteOne or DeleteMany method. So currently we're inside the VS Code editor and we're connected to the local MongoDB, and we have this student database. Inside the database we have the details collection, which contains 4 documents containing the detail of all the students, like their name, age. So let's see how we can delete those documents. So here you can see we have currently 4 databases. So we're gonna use student. So to delete one document, db dot and then the collection name dot delete one. So this method will delete the first document that matches the query. So inside the parentheses we can pass the query. So let's just delete the student whose name is Robert. So we have to write the query name Robert. So we're gonna execute that. We have deleted one document. So now if we refresh the documents, so currently you can see we have only 3 documents left. So let's just talk about DeleteMany method. So the DeleteMany method is used to delete all the documents that match the query provided. So we have to write db.details.deleteMany, and here inside we have to provide the query. Normally we should never use DeleteMany method with empty curly braces because this will delete all the documents, which is risky. So let's just provide the query. So we wanted to delete all the documents which has isActive as false. So let's just use the query. So we're gonna write isActive false and execute that. So we have deleted 2 documents. So if we refresh, 2 documents deleted, we are left with only 1 document. So this is the way we can delete single or multiple documents in MongoDB. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.